Harlow car, but not a full tour, just anything interesting. Previous videos show the full tour. Hedges starting to come out in leaf. Just very brief vignettes. It's a miniature tulip, and it's called Tulipa cumulus lilliput. So you know, for a little tiny tulip. So there's my hand for scale. There's a lot of collection in here. You can't see some of it because you can't access the middle of some of that. The lettuce and so forth coming on nicely now, and various other things, chard and spring onions and all that in here. Just showing some different scenes that weren't on previous videos. Different parts of Harlow Car. And just little glimpses of things in flower at the minute. 1st of April today, of course. But cloudy day. There's all sorts of little play things here. Wooden tree houses and kitchens and all sorts of stuff. So when you press each of these, they play the sound of the bird that's on the picture. We're going to plant some things here. Look, we've got these things ready. Plant in there. We've got the fungi, saprotroph fungi. Lichen fungi. As it comes out this little tree area here, and then there's the sort of beehives through this bit as well. There's a hornbeam planted here, but it, you know, it's believed like tonics from it and things to help heal wounds and all that. But
it can burn hot enough to smelt iron.
Yes, there you go. Beehives in here, and I have seen some bees going in. Let's just come out the bottom of there. Look, see them, that little honey bees going in into the cracks at the bottom of there. They're going in, so they're active. There's one going in there. Yeah. So this is the is it called the Queen Mother Lake or something like that? It's a bridge here. It was installed in November 2022, named after a plant, but it's a representation of the DNA strand as well. And it's dedicated to the memory of Professor Rachel Leach, born in 1936, who loved the garden and made plants her life's work. So she studied chloroplasts, that professor, and was went to Oxford and then did a PhD and all that, went to Imperial and then spent a long time in biology at the University of York. Was kind of world leader in the field. So yeah, there's still some construction works going on here. They're always modifying things somewhere in the garden. And last time I came this bit was closed off, so I'm showing you this bit. Library in here, and then there's some education rooms downstairs and upstairs. There's one in there, there's one downstairs there, and I think there's one through this side as well. Meeting rooms, education rooms, learning centres, all that sort of stuff. Yeah. So we didn't wander around the sort of central stream area today, right down there. Just had a look at a few bits and pieces.
Thanks for watching. See you later.